Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to paste in same place in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will use this preset and then keep this setting and create a new document. Next, we can go to File folder. I drag and drop an image into the new tab box and I put it here. I scale down a bit and press enter to place it here. Next, if you want to copy and paste the image, I press Ctrl C and V. The new image is pasted in the middle of the artboard. If you want to paste it in the same location, I delete the image first, and then we can use Ctrl C and Ctrl Shift V to paste in the same location. So we have two images in the same location. So we can do the same thing for the text. So we can add the text, something like this. If we use copy and paste, we can press Ctrl C and V. We can paste it in the center of artboard. If we use Ctrl Shift V, we can paste it in same location. Actually, we can find the same option in the edit and then paste special, and we can paste in place here. So this is how we can paste in same place in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.